Hey guys, today is huge! Higgsfield just dropped something that honestly changes the entire image generation game. And it's called Nano Banana Pro. This is their brand new pro-grade image engine, powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model, and it is all about control, clarity, and structure. We're talking 4K image generation, text that actually renders correctly, faces that stay consistent, and a model that literally understands your instructions before generating anything. No more broken fingers, no more messed up text, no more 15 retrays. This thing fixes anatomy, composition, and text errors before the image even hits your screen. And here's the crazy part. Higgsfield is giving unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 whole year. That's wild. So in this video, I'm going to test it live, show you real examples directly inside Higgsfield.ai. If you're a digital artist, ad creator, designer, thumbnail artist, educator, or just someone who wants the cleanest, most predictable AI images in 2025, this is one model you need to see. Alright, let's jump straight into the demo and see what this new Nano Banana Pro can actually do. And you can find the link in the description below. It's powered by the Gemini 3.0 reasoning engine, which is incredibly fast and accurate. With it, you can create photorealistic 4K visuals that perfectly match your prompts, and the generation speed is really impressive. Let's get started. First, you can enter your own prompt if you have a specific idea in mind. For example, if you want to generate a realistic scene, just type it in, and the AI will turn your words into a stunning 4K image or video. If you're not sure what to create, you can also choose one from the random prompts provided. Once you've decided, simply hit generate, and the AI will begin creating your content. Now, let's talk about customization options, because this is where Nano Banana Pro really shines. Here's what you can do. You can enter your own prompt to tell the AI exactly what you want to see. You can upload up to 8 images. These images can be used as reference, and the AI will combine them into your scene. You can choose the AI model depending on the style or effect you want. You can select the aspect ratio, like square, portrait, or widescreen, depending on where you want to use your image or video. You can choose the quality, 1K, 2K, or full 4K for the best results. Once you've set everything, hit generate and wait for a few seconds. And just like that, your image is ready. The AI creates something that perfectly matches your prompt, and it's usually photorealistic and detailed. Let's do something a bit more fun and interactive. I'm going to upload 3 photos now, 1 person with no mask and 2 other people. Then, I'll type a prompt like this. The 3 characters are sitting on a couch reacting to a horror movie, each showing a ridiculous and different expression. After that, I'll select the model, the aspect ratio, and the quality, and then hit generate. In just a few seconds, the result is ready. Look at this. All 3 people have completely different expressions. It's exactly like we asked for. You can edit it further if you want, or you can download it, upscale it, or even animate it. Let's try animation next. This is one of my favorite features. You can enter a prompt for the animation, describing exactly what should happen. Choose the duration of the animation, select the resolution, and then hit generate. After a few seconds, your animated video is ready. Look at this. You now have a beautiful animated scene created entirely by AI. You can see that Nano Banana Pro is perfect for turning your imagination into reality. The possibilities are endless. You can create fun, crazy, photorealistic images, or even cinematic 4K videos, all from simple prompts or reference images. Now, let's try another example. I'm going to upload a photo of a girl, and for this prompt, I'll type Make her a Sims character currently being edited in The Sims 4 Creator Sim mode. Then I'll select the aspect ratio, choose the quality, and hit Generate. And here it is. The AI has transformed her into a perfect Sims character, and the detail is outstanding. You can convert this image into a video if you want, or download it to use in your projects or share online. Another great feature of Nano Banana Pro is that you can experiment with different styles. For example, you can try turning your photos into cartoons, 3D models, cinematic shots, or even fantasy characters. You can mix multiple images, adjust the style, and generate something completely unique. Now, I want to mention something really exciting. For those who subscribe through Monday, November 24th, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 year. That's a full year of unlimited AI creations at your fingertips. And if you check the comparison graphic, you'll see that Higgsfield currently has the lowest prices on the market. So this is definitely the perfect time to get started. So go ahead, try it out, explore all the features, and see what amazing creations you can make. Don't forget, the link is in the description below. Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro is your all-in-one AI tool for 4K images and videos. And I promise, once you start using it, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.